Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The existence of fire inside the igloo makes us think that it could melt. However, this doesn't happen. The cold outside of it is so much that when it melts inside the heat it freezes again with the external contact.
Take our lead.
How warm can an igloo get? Temperatures outside can sometimes reach up to -45 degrees chilly. However, inside an igloo, the temperature can be anywhere between -7 and 16 degrees because of your body heat.
Take our lead.
Where do people who live in igloos go to the bathroom? It depends on a bunch of things, including how long you will be staying in the igloo. But the short answer is that you can pee in the floor or the wall, especially if it's the middle of the night.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Igloo iglu in Inuktitut, meaning house, is a winter dwelling made of snow. Historically, Inuit across the Arctic lived in igloos before the introduction of modern, European-style homes. While igloos are no longer the common type of housing used by the Inuit, they remain culturally significant in Arctic communities.
Take our lead.
Modern igloos, whether you dare to sleep in it is up to you. If you're looking for some Arctic luxury instead, there are ice hotels and igloo inns in Greenland, Finland and Sweden where you can enjoy a top-notch sleeping experience and catch the aurora borealis during the long winter nights.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Igloos were just temporary winter shelters built by Inuit hunters for accommodating their families while on a hunting trip. The speed of igloo making can be about 1 hour per igloo if the maker is really quick.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.